Puwede po raw bang mag-cause ng autism yung unwanted pregnancy? Yung kumbaga naramdaman ng bata na ayaw pala siya
Mm.
ng tatay 'no, pero nandiyan na. Puwede po ba?
Yes. Actually, risk factor po siya, Ma'am Dang. Opo. Again, pasok sa banga, no? Yung risk calculator po natin, alright? Kasi yung stress, no, Ma'am Dang? Opo. Siyempre kung
Mm.
unwanted yan, nandun po yung, I assume, no, na stress yung mother, alright? Baka probably depressed pa yan. So, may
Mm.
interplay ka ng mental health issues, alright?
Mm.
So, risk factor po siya.
Risk.
Okay? But again, not absolute. Okay?
Correct.
It's proof a risk factor.
Yeah.
And additional pa siguro dyan, Ma'am Dang, kung kunyari, unwanted, tapos may tinik. Opo, di ba? Yung may tinik na mga pampalaglag, okay? Or
Yeah.
pamparegla.
Okay.
Yan. Okay? The more that the risk increases. Kasi you introduce actually toxic chemicals to the fetus. So, it can actually increase the risk. So, habang dumadami, Ma'am Dang, no, yung mga risk
Lahat
factors
ng
na
risk.
na-identify natin, mas tumataas yung
Oh,
tinatawag natin na risk.
okay.